Castor oil is one of the most powerful natural oils that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. From digestion problem to joint pain, hair loss and dry skin. This simple oil offers many health benefits when you used correctly. In today's video, I will show you how to castor oil work, what sense it can bring to your body, how to use it safely, and who should avoid it. Castor oil is extracted from the seeds of the custard plant and contain a unique fatty acid called ricinoleic acid. This compound gives castor oil its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and pain relieving properties. Because of this, castor oil is widely used both internally and externally from natural healing. One of the most common uses of custard oil is for relieving constipation. When taken in a very small amount, it stimulates flow movement and helps clean the intestine naturally. It is effective for occasionally constipation but should never be used daily, as overuse can cause dehydration and stomach cramps. Castor oil is also highly effective for joint pain, muscle stiffness, and arthritis. Applying warm castor oil to the affected area and gently massaging help reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation, providing natural pain relief. For hair care, castor oil is strengthens hair root, reduce hair fall, and promotes thicker, healthier hair. It improves blood flow to the scalp and nourishing hair follicles. Using castor oil 1 or 2 times a week can make hair strength and shinier over time. Castor oil is an excellent natural moisturizer. For dry skin, it helps heal cracked, healed roof skin and dry leaves while protecting the skin from bacteria and minor infection. Applying a small amount at night keeps the skin soft and healthy. To use castor oil safely, take only half to 1 teaspoon for constipation and only when needed for hair skin apply externally in a small amount. Pregnant women should not consume castor oil and people with chronic digestive problems should consult a doctor before use. In conclusion, castor oil is a natural health treasure when used wisely. Proper use can support digestion, relieve pain, and improving hair and skin health. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay healthy and stay natural. Thank you.